If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I am Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about regarding mangroves. Mangroves. The topic is MISHTI, but I am taking this as an opportunity to explain to you about mangroves. See, mangroves are trees. These can be shrubs. These are specially adapted trees to thrive, grow in salty conditions. These trees will be in group. It forms a forest that is called as mangrove swamp or mangrove forest. There are different species of mangroves. Different species, they have different characteristics. For example, one characteristics called as prop roots. Prop roots to provide stability. See, these mangroves are noticed in the tropical, subtropical region, particularly in the coastal areas, estuaries, where the freshwater, salt water mixes. In that coastal regions only you will find these mangroves. So this prop roots, generally the roots are found below the soil. These mangrove trees will also have roots below the soil, but to provide further stability, further support from the trunk, from the branches of the trees, these roots will come out and it will hold to the land surface to provide stability. Right? Some mangrove species, they have something called as nematophores. So for respiration, the roots below the soil that will prop out, that will come out like pencils, it will come out. These are roots. What you see here is roots. They come out of the soil for respiration. Certain mangrove species, through their leaves, they will have specific glands. In that leaves only they will, excrete the salt. Certain mangrove species, their leaves will have special glands which will store fresh water. And these leaves will have a waxy coating. To prevent the transpiration, to prevent the evaporation of water. Right? These mangroves, some species, they are showing these kind of characteristics, and mangroves are viviparous. Viviparous means the seed will germinate when it is attached to the tree only. Right? So the seeds germinate within that tree only, then it falls. I'll show you the image. See? The seeds germinate while still attached to the parent tree. Usually what happens, the trees has fruits, the fruits will fall, the seeds will germinate from the soil. But here, the germination will start even while during it is attached to the tree only. So these are the features of mangroves. Significance of mangroves. See, it supports huge biodiversity. Okay, it supports a good ecosystem for fishes. So fishermen, they come here. It is an excellent source of fishing, because it's an excellent source for fishing activities because of its fishing zone. Right? So huge biodiversity, fishing opportunities. It provides livelihood for the communities located there. The woods can be used for construction purposes. It promotes tourism. And these mangroves is known for carbon capturing. It captures a lot of carbon, and these are located in the coastal regions. So when there is some cyclone, right, the cyclone's impact can be prevented because of the mangroves located in the coastal region. It acts like a wall. When there is tsunami, when there is cyclone, the intensity, the impact of tsunami and cyclone will be very less when those areas are protected by these mangroves. Significance is huge, and it faces huge threats as well. Huge threats, right? So too much of fishing, aquaculture activity is affecting the ecosystem in that area. Trees are cut for construction purposes. The areas is getting expanded for agriculture purpose, so habitat is getting distracted. Pollution, climate change, hunting, poaching of animals, all these are affecting the habitat and the ecosystem of mangroves. So we have to take efforts to protect. So under this backdrop, government has come up with MISHTI program. But before that, where mangroves are located, that I have given here. In the South Asia, we find the most extensive areas of mangroves. Particularly Indonesia has 1/5 of the overall. India holds 3% of the Southeast Asia's mangroves. West Bengal has the highest percentage. Sundarbans, world's largest mangrove forest region, shared by India and Bangladesh. So it is found in Gujarat, Andaman, Maharashtra, Odisha, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Kerala. So to protect, to improve the mangrove cover, government came with this program MISHTI, Mangrove Initiative for Shoreline Habitats and Tangible Incomes. Under this program, the local communities will be given incentives for mangrove mangrove plantations. So provide financial assistance to local communities to undertake mangrove plantation, create awareness to the people about the importance of mangrove. So the ultimate idea is to improve the mangrove cover along the shorelines and the salt pan lands. Okay. So 80% of the funding will come from central government and 20% will be contributed by the state governments. So this is why it was in news.